The race to complete Spotify Camp Nou is accelerating, and this week has brought some of the biggest construction milestones we've seen in months. From major compression ring progress to new ceramic facade installations and key developments across the tribuna stand, the stadium is transforming faster than ever. Here's everything that's changed at Spotify Camp Nou. One of the biggest updates comes from the compression ring. A new radial beam is now in place in the south stand, while Xavi's footage also captured the enormous bolt used to secure the beam to the column, highlighting once again the remarkable scale of these structural components. At the same time, another box section has been installed in the south stand as crews move from the massive XXL units to a series of smaller sections. With progress continuing across the stadium, the compression ring is steadily moving toward completion. The next major phase will see the installation of the columns that will eventually connect to the tension ring, while the latest live views already showcase the newly secured beam and box section as part of the growing structure. One area drawing particular attention is the third tier, where worker activity has been spotted around the scaffolded sections. The lighting installation is still ongoing, but with important upcoming events approaching, work is expected to accelerate in the coming weeks. At the same time, crews continue sealing gaps between seating sections, while progress is also being made on the VIP ring, curtain wall installations, and access doors throughout the stadium. The pace of work in the north stand has been impressive. Just days after the first facade slat was installed in this section, nearly the entire area has now been completed, with only a handful of pieces still waiting to be placed. Progress is also visible beneath the cantilever structure, where more service pipes have been installed along the underside. As the protective netting gradually moves forward, it continues to reveal just how much work has already been completed in this area. Inside the stadium, work remains fully focused on preparing the future playing surface. Specialized machinery continues processing the existing pitch by removing the upper layer and screening the soil to create the proper foundation for the new natural grass system. Excavators remain active throughout the field, transporting excavated material while crews carefully level and prepare the surface for the next phase of installation. These operations are a critical part of building a high-performance playing surface, ensuring proper drainage, stability, and long-term durability before the new natural grass is finally installed. Inside the VIP areas, construction continues progressing steadily across multiple levels. Crews remain busy completing the interior enclosure, while permanent doors are now visible in several sections. Additional finishing work is taking place around the corridors, balconies, and hospitality spaces as workers prepare these premium areas for future architectural installations. Every update reveals more of the final layout, showing clear progress toward completing one of the stadium's most exclusive sections. The construction site continues to show impressive progress, with the corner area taking a more defined shape compared to last week. The first roof slats are now being installed, while a small section has been intentionally left open for the next phase. A new delivery of slats has arrived, ready to continue covering the lower false ceiling area. Meanwhile, support anchors, technical pipes, and preparation work for the upcoming sandwich panels are moving forward. With the crane already positioned, this corner section is steadily transforming and getting closer to its final design. And with that, we've reached the end of today's report. From the rapid progress of the compression ring to the continued transformation of the diamond structure, every update is bringing the stadium one step closer to its final form. What's especially fascinating is that many of the changes we're seeing today are laying the foundation for some of the project's most important phases still to come. As always, we'll be keeping a close eye on every new development. If progress continues at this pace, the next update could reveal even bigger milestones. Until then, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.